Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to talk about the Microsoft Remote Desktop and Chrome Remote Desktop, two of the popular tools for accessing device remotely. Now, if you're trying to decide which remote desktop solution to use in 2025, this guide breaks it down for you. First, let's cover the pros and cons. Now, let's dive into the Microsoft Remote Desktop. The process, it is a seamless integration with a Windows, with a high performance of LAN, and supports multi-monitor setup and an enterprise-level security via network layer authentication, which is the NLA. Now, choose the Microsoft Remote Desktop if you are on a Windows Pro machine and need robust performance, enterprise features, and fine control over the network. And now, on to the Chrome Remote Desktop, it is extremely easy to use and cross-platform like Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, and iOS. You can secure connections via Google account and works well through firewalls and no port forwarding needed. Choose this if you want a quick cross-platform solution with a minimal setup perfect for the casual users and personal tech support. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.